Hey traders, welcome to the free video. So as you may know, today the market pulled back ever so slightly, but then just proceeded to rally after the overnight move lower due to the ongoing geopolitical tensions. Now, looking at the indexes here, we have a very strong market just hovering right on top of the 8 EMA, but for me, I feel like especially in some of these spots, it's time to start buying the dip. So one of the areas that I have been stalking for a dip has been in the semiconductors. Semiconductors are huge. I mean, this is a growing industry. It's going to continue growing. As you can see on this chart, I mean, there's been barely any dips. The dips that we experienced prior to about, I don't know, September were more trade war related. So you can see these moments in time right here, here and here. Those are both trade war related because of the exposure to China. But right now, with the trade war easing up and this nice little pullback that we're getting, I think number one, it's time to start adding to a long-term account. So I did start adding SMH itself to a long-term account, but I want to watch out for both LRCX and Intel for a run in earnings. So LRCX in particular, because it has this breakaway gap from last quarter, typically what you're going to see is positive momentum going into the next quarter's earnings because this quarter was so positive. So you're going to see investors buying up the stock before the report. And that's something that I like to trade in the options market. So what I typically do with something like that is I look to buy options within the earnings series. Now, this one's interesting because Thinkorswim is noting it to be around the 22nd. However, the implied volatility is telling a different story. You're looking for the high implied vol series because what you're looking to do is you want to capture the implied volatility as well as the price trading higher. So when I get some confirmation on which series it's going to be, I would like to purchase some Delta 70 calls. They're going to be a little bit pricey, but it's $289 stock, so it's just how it goes. And I would like to ride that into the earnings report, but not through it, holding on to that and closing it before the report. The next one that I want to look at is Intel. So Intel also had that breakaway gap from last quarter, and that's typically when you see those best rallies. So basically what I'm doing with this one is same thing. I mean, I would prefer more of a pullback. If I had the choice, I would love to buy it at the 34 EMA or the 50 SMA. I don't know that that's going to happen. I don't know that we're going to get a pullback that deep. So that's why I put an alert there. If not, I'll at least try to buy it around the 21 EMA. But I would like to do the same strategy with that, looking for an overall run into earnings. Also, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who joined me on the Kickstart to Success with my 5-star package. I think it's a great way to start off the year. We are going to be doing the second part of the Kickstart today, and we're going to be doing the live trading session for that one tomorrow. Also, I did want to let you know that John is going to be having a webinar Wednesday, actually. So John is going to be talking about, basic ways that you can also start off 2020 on the right in the right pace. It's going to be on January 8th at 7 o'clock. You can check this out at simplertrading.com/hack. You can sign up here and you will receive the link to log in. So I hope everyone's been having a fantastic 2020 so far, and I will see you in the next one.